this product beats Dollar Tree. These magnetic hooks are less than $1 each, and they can hold up to 30 pounds. You get 10 for just $6.99 at the filming of this video.
And y'all, these magnets are strong. I like to use these in my fridge because 2 of them hold up a basket to double your storage in a small space. I just took a Dollar Tree basket to put on the side of my fridge. This is perfect for the holidays to hold extra condiments, tea, or even desserts.
And what's more, because they stick to any magnetic surface, you could put these on your front door to hold up a wreath, or I even put this on the bottom of a mirror that was also made of metal to hang up your wreaths. This is such an amazing find and so versatile around your house. I was even thinking you could hang stockings right on your fireplace if it's magnetic. Where would you use these?
This video, I want your jaw on the floor with price points and products that save you time and money. This is a magnetic digital meat thermometer. We use ours every single day, but what's even better is the price point on this is just $8.99 right now. And my boys wanted to show off their strength with the magnets just to prove how strong these were. They honestly are fun to play with. Y'all, I've got so many ideas coming up in this video.
Today's video is all about practical items you can find on Amazon. I'll be sure to link everything down below that you can get for under $10. It's going to save you this holiday. I absolutely love not only these metal hooks, but also towels. I'm going to link below my favorite kitchen towels and also some Turkish towels.
These are right around $2.50 each, and I love that they have this loop on them. It makes it perfect for hanging and easy storage in small spaces. They're made of recycled material, they look great, wash well, whether you're using them for organizing or cleaning. This is the stuff that feels properly luxury.
Another incredible, less than $10 find is decorative cheesecloth. These come from Amazon kind of all rolled up, so they're really small package and they're really easy to store. You can unroll it and put it on any tablescape. Rather than having to get out a whole tablecloth and then you have to wash it, it's complicated. For me, cheesecloths are the new tablecloths. I can put this under decor. It's a really affordable way to elevate any table on a budget, and I think perfect for Thanksgiving.
And all of the embellishments came from, of course, Dollar Tree.
This is a hack I haven't talked about in years, but this holiday, you know you're gonna be baking a lot in your kitchen, especially if you have granite countertops or countertops that hide a lot of dirt. You know when you look at your countertop from an angle and you can see a layer of filth and sticky on the top? Maybe you're rolling out dough.
This is where a glass and polishing rag is your best friend. I've been using these since 2017. All you need is water, and this can polish your glass surfaces as well as mirrors without using any product. But the real secret is using this on your countertop too after you clean it. I use Dawn Power Wash on my countertop and I get it nice and sudsy with a bit of water and just any old rag. But if I just use this, it would kind of leave some standing water when I was done, maybe a little bit of residue. It just looks cloudy and not very clean to the eye. Polishing rags, I'm telling you, are so awesome. I keep this on hand. I wash it about once a week, but after I wipe down the countertop, I go over it with this. Oh my gosh. Especially if you have granite, your stone will shine. And yes, you can use this anywhere, whether it's a kitchen or in a bathroom. This is my secret hack to making my kitchen really clean. And speaking of clean, this trick might be my favorite of the video.
I get headaches from a lot of floor cleaners. This one is literally the best combination I have found. You want to get Dr. Bronner's Sal Suds soap, but you just want to put literally a little squirt of the Dr. Bronner's, the tiniest bit goes a long way, and then combine it with peppermint essential oil. The Dr. Bronner's soap smells like fir and pine, and the peppermint combined with it, this literally smells like an incredible holiday. Imagine an incredible candle filling your entire house. It doesn't give me a headache, and it does such a great job. Every single product you see here, I purchase with my own money, and they work so well. If you get nothing else from this video, get an e-cloth and that Dr. Bronner's soap for your floor. Holiday time, you're gonna thank me. Another incredible new product that is under $10 is a new attachment head for your O-Cedar mop. Now this is so cool because the main O-Cedar mop works great on hardwoods and laminate, but this one is perfect for tile. And because it has those bristle brushes, you can scrub your tile. And you can use that same mixture of the Dr. Bronner soap and the peppermint essential oil, and you could really get into those grout lines so you don't have to be on the floor scrubbing. I was so excited to see O-Cedar come out with this product, and not only that, but to see that it's so affordable.
under $6 at the time of filming, and the bristles are really firm and stiff. And then I just go after through with my mop to clean up all of the soapy suds.
And there are 3 secret products that I think you're gonna love that are under $10. The first are wall deco hooks. Have you seen these? So these hooks you can actually use without tools, and if you have heavier items, they hang so well on them. I recently thrifted a piece of art. I've been really into upcycling, using what I have, recycling, thrifting instead of buying new. And I hung up this really pretty oil on canvas. I got it for $9.99. Why I love these deco hooks is they kind of stick out from the wall and they do really well with a hanging mechanism and hanging art. And you do not have to have any tools to install these. You push these into the wall and the arc of the hook helps them hang up and be able to hold the weight. These are so fantastic, and what they leave behind is a very minimal hole. Because if you're like me, you just end up like nailing 1,000 things in the wall. I'm a big nailer. There are people who don't like hanging things. I am the opposite. Like whatever the opposite of that is me. Like if I could spend all day hanging art, I think I would have a lot of fun. There are some like rogue holes in my wall just from like different art configurations I've done over the years, but I've gotten okay with that. A tech product you need this holiday for under $10 is a wall extender outlet. I love these because if you have an outlet in a really weird place, maybe behind an electric fireplace or behind a piece of furniture, you can actually use this to bring that outlet out. I'm gonna link my favorite one below. It has a 5-star rating. These things are awesome for Christmas trees, for your lights, and it just makes things so much easier to get to. This next product is so cheap, an unsung hero that I have to bring back, and these are nano dots. These are like double stick tape, but they're a little bit more malleable like a glue, and they do come off of surfaces with a hairdryer. But I highly suggest getting some of these for your holiday for your fridge. This is going to keep fridge liners in place. It's also going to keep drink caddies in place. Just stick a dot under each one of these, and those aren't going anywhere. Trust me, this is one that is really cheap. You will be so glad you have. You can use this on decor as well to kind of hang stuff up or keep it tacked, and then it removes at the end of the season. This product is definitely a favorite. I really want to use the decor that I have and then elevate it to fit the style that I'm going for this year, which is kind of like a moody, dark Charles Dickens Christmas, but I've got lots of stuff I can use, and what I got for less than $10 is green velvet ribbon. I actually don't buy this in store because it is cheaper to buy on Amazon, and then I can tie pretty bows around different items around my house and just give it that really lush, beautiful feeling on items that I already had. Honestly, I am all like put a bow on it these days. I get all of my hair bows on Amazon too, and what's really great about those is you can actually use them to wrap gifts this holiday. So rather than like tying a bow, you can just add one of these to it, and then the person you're gifting to has a hair bow that they can use. I also love getting my wrapping paper on Amazon. They have so many incredible options right now. Lots of them look very vintage and cool. It ships right to you, and it's really quality stuff, and it's really affordable. As we roll into the holidays, keep these gift ideas in your back pocket because they are so cheap, like actually cheap on Amazon. And the first one are really cool socks. They have the coolest vintage looking socks that I think would make an incredible gift idea. It's so unique compared to like the fuzzy socks that you're seeing in store. They are so comfortable. You can present them in like a really cool Dollar Tree container if you want. And Amazon has lots of food items, specifically food that is elevated for the holidays. This is really great if you want to buy some really affordable food. You can get lots of these on Amazon for less than $10. One of my favorites is to get honeycomb. These fit perfectly in the Turkish towels. You can wrap these up and give as gifts. I like to keep a few of those things at the ready so I've got them right when I need them, and it's not like last minute I'm trying to scramble to find something and then I end up overpaying. My beautiful friend, no product can make up for the love that you have for yourself and others if nobody has told you today. You are enough. I'll catch you soon. And yes, hold on. I took off my bracelets because they were too jiggly. You know, bracelets jiggle. Hold on.